ever felt that sinking feeling? Or that knowing little voice in your head that says, is this for real? What's going on? Am I dreaming? I don't understand. Oh yes, I'm talking about trust issues. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, the real Dasola, your relationship goal scorer. Trust issues is the silent killer of good relationships. You would think love would be enough, but no. Trust is the lifeline, and once it gets shaky, everything else trembles. Maybe you've been burned before, or maybe you just can't shake that nagging doubt about your partner. But here's the thing, you can fix this, and it doesn't involve you spying on your partner's phone or becoming a full-time detective. So what do you do when your mind starts playing tricks and jealousy is creeping in? Let's dive into ways to ditch the trust issues. 1. Cut the mind-reading act. We are all guilty of it, thinking we know what the other person is really up to, when you are not psychic. Or maybe you are convinced they are being shady, but guessing games only breeds anxiety. Instead, ask. Yes, I know it might feel awkward, but the direct route is less torturous than twisting yourself in knots. Do you want to choke yourself? If you feel weird about something, just say it. 9 times out of 10, let me tell you this for free, your partner isn't doing anything suspicious. They just forgot to text you back. 2. Stop stalking their socials. They endless scroll through their comments, their followers, their likes. Does that sound familiar? Baby. Do you know that social media is like a crack for trust issues, where every little heart and thumbs up can look like red flags when you're already on edge? Another way to become single again is by going through your partner's phone. If your eyes go see wetin your body no fit collect, go my dear, or you're lower. So put down the magnifying glass. Better yet, take a mini digital detox if you are getting out of control. If something is really up, it will definitely come out without you going into full detective mode like the monitoring spirit, aka Olopa Asonu. 3. Give a little, get a little. Givers never lack, they say. But I'm not talking about money or gifts here. See, trust isn't built in a day, and it's definitely not built by holding secrets while expecting full disclosure from them. You cannot demand full transparency from your partner if you're hiding your own stuff. You should start with a little give and take, be a little more open, share a little more, and see if they will likely follow suit. Trust is a two-way street, not a one-way interrogation. 4. You should separate facts from feelings. Here's the truth bomb. It's not everything you feel that is true. Just because you feel like something is wrong doesn't mean it actually is. Feelings are important, yes, but they are not facts. Some people will be like, I can feel it whenever my partner is cheating. How now, when you're not a magician? I beg, before you let your suspicions carry you go where you don't know, take a break and ask yourself, is this based on evidence or just a vibe? If it's just a vibe, give it a second and try not to jump to conclusions. 5. Try to set boundaries together. You guys should talk about what is okay and what is not. Are we cool with texting exes so they can serve you pepper soup, abi? What about going out late without checking in? These are the little rules that keep everyone on the same page and help prevent those surprise blow-ups. If you both know the ground rules, there is less chance for misunderstandings and less fuel for the trust fire. 6. Make sure you deal with your baggage. Yes, you have some. The thing is, if you've been hurt before, there are chances that you are still carrying that old hurt like an emotional carry-on. Whether you know it or not, old betrayals, past lies, they leave scars. But remember that your partner is not your ex. And dragging old issues into a new relationship is not fair. You should take a little time to reflect what's yours to heal. Whether it's therapy or self-reflection, whatever it takes, it's worth it. Now, the final word of wisdom. Trust doesn't mean being blind. It means being confident enough in yourself to handle whatever comes up. Sometimes, letting go of the fear of getting hurt is the only way to build the foundation you really want. Trust, when you have it, makes love a whole lot lighter. So take a deep breath. You've got this. Trust isn't easy, but neither is anything that is worth it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this content helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more relationship tips. And if you have anything you'd like to discuss with me, kindly send a DM to my email, Instagram or Twitter. See you in my next video. Bye for now.